everyone, today I'm going to show you how to float a balloon experiment. All we need are a jug filled with water, a teaspoon vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, small bottle, paper clips, 2 funnel and a balloon. First, let's fill up the paper clips into the bottle. Next, pour in the soda bicarbonate. Next, we are going to pour the vinegar into the balloon. Cover the top of the lid with the balloon. Drop the bottle into the water. Can you see the bubbles? Those bubbles are filled with a gas called carbon dioxide, a substance that was created when we mix the vinegar and baking soda. The combined density of the contraption we make is higher than that of the water, so it sinks to the bottom at first. After the chemical reaction takes place, created carbon dioxide decreases the density of the contraption to a point lower than that of a water, so it floats to the top. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button today. Thank you.